Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 50% and any salvageable data is backed up to cloud. Once done, power the phone fully off. Then press and hold volume up and power together until the Vivo logo appears. This boots you into recovery mode. Make sure to use the volume keys to move through menu items and the power button to confirm your choice. This gets you to the options needed to remove the pattern lock. You now perform the core unlock step. In recovery, navigate to wipe data or factory reset and select it. Once you confirm, the phone will erase user data including the pattern lock. This is why backups matter. Make sure you confirm any additional prompts. Some Vivo models ask twice. After the wipe completes, choose Reboot System Now. The phone boots like new, you'll need to set it up again. This removes the pattern but also removes local data, so proceed intentionally. You finish by setting up the device after reboot. Follow on-screen prompts and sign into the same Google or Vivo account previously linked. This avoids FRP lock. If the phone asks for previous account credentials and you can't provide them, that's Android factory reset protection. Make sure to try password recovery for that account. If the device still won't unlock or shows errors, contact Vivo support or an authorized service center. They can verify ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.